Okay. Good evening, guys, and online students. Guys, am I audible? Online people, online students, check it out. Is it clear, my voice? Online people. Okay. అక్కడ lights, అక్కడ lights. Right, guys. So in last yesterday, okay, so the general discussion was happened. Okay, so on your databases and database importance. Okay, database importance and how it was using, and that means the need of databases nowadays. Okay, so what is the need of that? Means only the reason is we called as what now? Online transactions. When online transactions increases, automatically database necessity also increase. Okay, so and we all of you know nowadays manual system is very very less. Almost in any organization you can see almost every organization people, so they maintain their operations with the which one here, online only. Maximum organizations are going to like that. It may be private sector or public sectors, okay, the any government anywhere. Okay, even though nowadays a small organizations also they maintain databases. For example, Naresh IT organization was there. So Naresh IT people also maintain okay databases because of reason they want to store students data, they want to store courses information, employees information, employees salaries informations. Okay, now so there's all kind of things. If I need to manage and maintain, okay, definitely we required what now? Database memories that already I said to you in the yesterday. Okay. And today we will discuss some points about okay, what is exactly Oracle? So, and these Oracle databases or any other databases in the world, okay, in which way we are using in real time, in which kind of applications these databases will be useful, where we can use in real time, and especially when come to IT industries, okay, there are two kind of applications we are interacting. One is a front end, one is a back end. So what is front end? What is the use of front end? What is the back end? Back end usage? What now? Okay, and who want to require? Okay, this courses. Which platform students want to learn this course? Okay, what are the prerequisites of this course? If I want to learn this course, is it mandatory to have any other technology knowledge? Okay, so that is there or not, that is a mandatory or not. Okay, so that we will see. And later on, suppose in you guys, if anybody choose your career as a database developer, okay, as a SQL developer side, database programming side, PLSQL developing side, if anybody they want to go for to what we can call they're trying their career, because initially maybe all of you very enthusiasts, okay, on your Java, .NET, Python. Okay, but later on you can understand that okay, how the competition in Java, .NET, Python. So if I didn't get any job in these areas, okay, what is my next option in my IT career? Okay, whether I want to leave IT or else I want to go IT. Okay, now if you want to go IT means you should know any one technology. Yes or no? Without having any IT technologies, you can't go. Okay, so these kind of things we need to comparing, we need to realizing, we need to analysis like this. Okay, now in this level, if anybody interested to settle their career as a backend developer, Okay, na? So those people, how they can approach the database jobs and what kind of roles will be there in real time. Okay, and as a fresher, if you try to database side, which kind of roles you have to go. Okay, na? And experienced people where they want to go. Okay, and even though this course whatever we are teaching now, okay, this course don't think that only for your .NET purpose you are learning, only for your Java purpose I'm learning, only for my Python purpose learning. Don't treat like that. Okay, na? This is also you treat like a one more technology we are learning. And this technology not only for your front end related operations, even though this course can be used for your career also. Okay, if so many people, I hope that everyone not understanding coding skills, and now you are going to be very interesting, but certain time is over. After 1 month or 2 months is completed your courses, either .NET, Java, Python, so many students are they understand what is reality in the IT sector. So at the time yourself you will be realizing that, sir, I'm unable to understand coding part. I didn't understand the C programs, Java programming code, it's very tough to me, sir. Okay, I'm going to not handling that kind of things, sir. So who are thinking like that, who are having that kind of situation will come to you. Maybe now you all of you very fresher and freshers, so you don't have it any kind of that kind of situation, you can't get it. But after 2 months 3 months courses are completing, okay, at the time you can understand that, okay, what is my capabilities of this course, whether my capabilities are suitable for this course or not, whether I can handle this course or not, whether I can face interview on this platform in a real time or not, so that you can slowly the picture will be show you. Okay, na? At this moment what I'm telling as per my 10 plus of experience, don't disappoint, don't lose your confidence. Okay, because one thing should be remember, IT industry is not only for Java, .NET, Python. There are so many different platforms people are working in IT jobs. Okay, na? So there are so many testing people are there, so many database admin side people are there, database maintenance side people are there, yes or no? So many UI developers are there, like designers. So many different platforms, different positions, different technologies. Okay, you have it in IT field. So that's why don't disappoint and don't lose your confidence that, okay, I'm unable to get job in IT sector. So you tried on Java, .NET, Python, but you are unable to get, so don't lose your confidence. And you can realize that, okay, my capabilities are not suitable here. So where my capabilities are suitable, let you try database. It's a second option for you for your IT career. So already database course you completed here, full-fledged course this batch. It's not half of the course. Okay, na? It's a complete full-fledged course you are learning in this batch. So when you finishing full-fledged course, then your alternative choice is what now? If you are unfit in the front end side to get a job, then this technology you can use for your career. Then you start your career on the database side also. Okay, na? Even though database programmers and especially SQL developers and PLSQL programmers, these are very demanding in market. Yes or no? But so many students are doesn't know it, because that kind of the situation you never face it. That is one thing. And every fresher, their mind is they're fixing like that. IT is nothing but only Java, .NET, Python. They're coming like that. But when you come into Hyderabad and Amirpet market, you can understand within 1 month, and IT is not only Java, .NET, Python, even though we have so many opportunities to learn. Okay, na? That when you will get it after 1 and 2 months is over, then finally you will be analyzing what is exactly in IT field. Okay, na? So that's why this course also you will be learning like this. This is my second option for my career. If in front end side, if I'm not getting any job, then back end side I need to try. Okay, na? In that way, the both the technologies you will be utilizing, na, then it was a good chance to you. For example, I will also tell you my students what I am telling. Suppose you are Java, .NET, Python people, you are learning Oracle also. Okay, na? So the thing is what now you are learning two technologies. One is a front and a back. So that's why what you want to do, if you want it only job of IT sector, you don't know or you don't have any target. Okay, some people have ambitions. I wanna become a Java developer. If that kind of ambition target you have it, yes, no problem, you can follow that. But some students are there, sir, I don't have any target, but my target is only one thing. I want to work as a software engineer. A software engineer is nothing but so many people will comes under this category. Yes or no? So how you can say B Tech? In B Tech, so many branches are come. Yes or no? Ah. So like it is also software engineer designation is nothing but you may be Java developer, you may be .NET developer, you may be Python developer, you may be database developer, you may be user interface developer, you may be AWS programmer, you may be data science programmer, you may be DevOps programmer, you may be Power BI programmer. So these all together we called as a software engineer. So in the software engineer, you have so many frames. Okay, na? In that frame, which frame are you selected? That's your choice. Got it my point, na? So that's what you want to do after learning these two courses. One resume prepare on your Java or .NET or platform. Okay, or a Python. One database, so that means one more resume. Okay, one more resume prepare on Oracle database. So how many resumes? Two resumes. In two resumes with a different Gmail IDs, different mobile numbers, you can mention your surname first, later my name, your name first, later my surname. Some little bit minor changes are you can do on the resumes, and both resumes within 10 days or 15 days gap, you can upload into web portals or job portals. Okay, now? So what is the advantage to me if I go like this? It means that you will get a calls from two areas. You will get a call from database. You get a call from your technology, either Java, .NET or Python. Okay. So that means you have a opportunities. How many? Two opportunities. Understand now? Two opportunities in your hand. So where you selected? You selected in database interview now. You selected your Java, .NET, Python interview now. So that is your luck as your hard work. Okay, as your performance. Suppose you selected in Java. Happily go to Java. Suppose you are not selecting Java, .NET, Python. You selected in database. Happily go to database. Because why I'm telling like this means nowadays in IT field, entry is very important. Okay, now once you got it entry point in IT field, then after that you can go to switch. Suppose initially I'm going as a database developer. Okay, now I'm working 1 year, 6 months or 1 year I'm working. Later what it was happen, company will offer you, do you have any interest to work on other platforms? That kind of mails coming to your ID. If you're interested, yes, sir, I'm interested to work on Java side. Then your database person switch to Java. Java person switch to database. Yes or no? So as the choices, the employee can be switched. And nowadays, this kind of so many things are happening in the companies. Okay, some people coming to institution. Sir, present I'm working as a database programmer, sir, but my company offer me to go to Java side. But I don't know Java, sir. I want to learn Java. Okay, na? So this kind of things are coming to you. That's why your advantage is what now? You are learning both. So that's why any entry point, if you got it now, immediately join. Don't lose. Opportunities nowadays don't lose. It's a low salary, high salary, none of the matter. Because nowadays you know that. So jobs and opportunities are very, very difficult. Very, very difficult to get. So that's why initially either low or high package or low package, don't think. Just leave it. And company, startup company na, multinational company, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. None of the matter. But you are getting one real-time company. Okay? And there I have a scope to develop my skills. Immediately join. Okay, na? So join, and after getting of experience, you will be go to other companies you can try. Then your packages also increase, your subject confident also increase, and you will go to higher positions. That's why entry point is very important nowadays. As per outside market, present entry point is very, very important. You are getting entry point means your life is settled. Okay, na? So that way you have to plan your career. Definitely all are selected. All are going to be success in your career. But don't try immediately higher levels. Okay, na? If you try directly on MNC means you have to show that much talent. Okay, na? So that's why. So don't think higher. First start your career with a small startup company also, no problem. And you all of you know this, MNC developer, that means MNC employee, one startup employee. Tell me, in these two employees, if you compare, which employee is having more knowledge? Startup or multinational? Startup. Because startup employee foundation is a very strong. In future, he never see back. But multinational company employees are now, tomorrow what happened, they don't know. They will not that much skills, knowledge. So that's why they're losing their confidence day by day. If unfortunately anybody fired, then he was very difficult to get a next level job. But startup people are what now? They have very confident to go to higher positions. Okay, because of reason that much coding skills they will earning here. Okay, so these are all think properly and be plan here how to go. Okay, as per your choice of technologies. Okay, now right. So these are what guys here. Okay, as my suggestion, what I am giving. Okay, whatever I was given as. Okay, now we are observed. Come to now your Oracle. Come to now Oracle. Okay, and we are learning in this Oracle 19 version. Okay, the latest 21 also there, but still we are using 19. The reason what it is, I will explain to you. Okay, so first of all, we should know about a few things. Okay, on your databases. Okay, first thing. So many people are asking. So many people are asking. Okay, now what they ask here, sir, what is Oracle? Okay, what is a Oracle? So you remember, Oracle is one of the RDBMS database. RDBMS means what now? Relational. It is one of the relational database management system. And why, sir, you called as it is a one of the? Because in relational database management systems, there is not only Oracle. Along with Oracle, we have so many other database tools are there. Like I said yesterday, SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, DB2, Sybase, Informix, Ingres, Teradata, MaxDB, PostgreSQLs. So almost 10 products are there in relational. So these many database softwares and tools and technologies are available in real time. In these many databases, one of the tool are you learning? The tool is called as what now? Oracle. That's it. That's why Oracle is one of the RDBMS product. Understand? Na? And this product, okay, even though we called as what now? Backend tool also we can call. It is a backend tool or it is a database software also we called. Oracle is a database software. Okay, na? By using of this software, we are creating memory, and that memory I am utilizing for my requirements purpose. What is my requirements? Data storage, data process, data manipulate, data share, data secured. So these kind of requirements purpose, I need some memory, and that memory I'm going to creating with the help of one software. And that software is called as what now? Oracle. Understand na? So now what I'm saying here, it is a it is a one of the it is a one of the RDBMS product. It is a one of the RDBMS product. Okay. Otherwise, even though we called as it is a database software, it is a database software. Otherwise, we called it is a backend applications. Otherwise, we called it is a backend or backend tool, not application, backend tool. And we called as what now? Which was introduced by who was introduced this one? Which was introduced by who is this? Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation. Okay. Last people. You only. What is the discussion is going on? See, any doubt is there, you can ask me. Okay, na? I will give chance to you after class. You can come and ask whatever the doubts about your database. Okay. You both of you don't discuss. Okay, in the classroom. Right. Now you can see. This is what is Oracle. And this Oracle, how I can use means as a backend tool, I can use it. That means first we should know it. If you go to in real time, if you need to develop, especially web applications, okay, na? If you need to develop one web application by using of .NET, by using of Java, by using of Python, anything you can use as a technology. But when you want to developing web applications, especially in web applications, the people will interacting two types of softwares. One is front-end related softwares. One is back-end related softwares. So front-end related softwares we are using to design, to develop front-end forms. It's nothing but UI forms are going to be called. Backend softwares we are using to developing backend applications. Those are nothing but database applications we need to develop. Okay, na? So these are the two things must and should be required one web developer. If you are working as a web developer in an industry or in a company, you must be have a knowledge of these two technologies. Understand, na? So now, write down below. Generally, 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 in web applications, generally in web applications, generally in web applications, in web applications, we are interacting, with the two types of interacting with the two types of applications. Generally in web applications we are interacting with the two types of applications. Those are first one we called as what now? Front end applications. Those are we called as first one front end applications. Front end applications. And second one we called as what now? Back end applications. Back end applications. Okay, now? So these are two things we required. So now we should know that what is front end application. Okay, what is front end application? So now front end application is an application. Okay, front end application Shortcutly, I'm writing FEA. Application is an application where where the users can interact directly. So where the users can interact directly. Okay. What kind of applications we called? For example, you can see registration forms. Okay, we can go for what now? Registration forms. Okay, this is also called a front-end application. Like we are going for login forms. Login forms we called. Like we can go for change password. Change password forms. Change password forms. Okay, like we called as view forms. Okay, like we called as view forms and etc. Okay, right. So these are direct interaction was there by your user. User can directly interacting. For example, let me see. If you go to nowadays, okay, any website. So website means www. You can go any website. If you go to any website, so these are called as a front end forms or applications we called. This is one front end form. Okay, now this is one front end form. This is called what now? Registration form is called as a one front end form we called. Okay, if you go login. This is called as a login form. This is also one front end. So front end is nothing but where the user can directly interacting here. So practically, okay, if I want to interact to that form and I can see that form, I can touch that form. Okay, so that kind of any form when it was come to you, then it is called as what now? Front end forms we called. Okay, now so now if you go to any Amazon or Facebook, there also, okay, we have here this all we can say na. Next we called as Amazon. You can go. If you go to Amazon, okay. So if you open your Amazon now, okay. So this is what you're looking now. This is called as what now? Front end forms. This is called as what now? Front end forms. So that means where the user can interacting now, where I can touch this, where I can see this. Yes or no? This kind of any area is called as a front end. These all are called as what now? Front end forms here. And these front end forms, even though we called as a UI forms also we called. Okay, what we called a UI. UI means user interfaces. Okay, these are all are called as that. Okay, like you are going, suppose you have some icons are there here. So if you open anything here, okay, if you open anything here, for example, the best sells. Okay, mobiles. If you go to mobile option will come to. This is called again front end. Okay, and you go to choice. Laptops and accessories are there. If you click on laptops and accessories, then it is also called as a front end. Okay, so any form when you directly view that, directly interact to that, that kind of forms are called front end. And these front end forms, how you want to design? By using of UI technologies. So UI technologies, what it was required? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, AngularJS, React.js, jQuery, JSON, so many are there in your real world. With the help of those things, you are going to be do. Okay. Now, so now that is what I'm going to say here. And what we can say, okay, by using, so second point, by using UI technologies, we can design and develop, okay, develop front end applications, develop front end forms or applications. Okay, na? So what kind of UI technologies? Okay, so like what is the UI technologies like what now? HTML, okay, CSS. Now what you have here? JavaScripts. Okay, next we have here Angular. Okay, so we have here React JS. Okay, etc. Okay, na? So these are all are called as a front-end related applications can be developed. Okay. The now come to here backend applications. So come out and see backend applications. Backend applications, why should we want to design, sir? Okay, why should we want to design, sir? Can you come out? Yesterday, I said one thing. Suppose if you want to go for your Facebook, and what I said, if I don't have any new account, that means I don't have any ID and password, definitely we need to, what we want to do? We need to register. But what we said in the registration, so this registration form, who will interact here? End users. So end user directly interacting to this form. That's why it is called a front-end form we called. Okay, but this a front-end form through whatever the data is sending by end user, this data compulsory we need to save into somewhere. We need to save into somewhere. The somewhere is nothing but what, sir? We called as a database. But I have a one doubt. So data can be stored. My requirement is what now? User, what he was sending data through a front-end form, the data I need to store somewhere. So somewhere means I don't have it like this. Sir, why should I want to use only databases? There is no other places out there where I can store my data. For example, now you all of you using notebooks. Yes or no? So in this notebooks, what we are doing? We are storing some information now. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, you are storing some information. So that means, can I say your notebook is also one type of database? Is it clear? Next, okay, sir. Now we are using files, text file, doc file, okay, MS Word files, Excel files. Yes or no? So many different files are there. So in those files also we are going to be storing some information now. Yes or no? Yes. So, sir, I don't understand that when you have a facility for notebooks, when you have a facility of file, okay, and now these two already I have it here. Okay, when it was there, early databases. So early database softwares, we have a notebooks, book and papers, and we have a files, text file, word files, etc. But sir, why should my front-end form data, why should we want to store only database memories? Why not a notebook? Why not a file? Tell me. Any guessing? First thing is what now? Notebook is called as what now? It's a completely manual system. But your front-end form is called as a completely online system. That's called a online application. This is. Okay, na? But a notebook is called as what now? Manual application. Is it possible to combination of online to manual process? Can I combine this two? Online application, can I integrate it with the manual system? Is it possible? Not at all. Okay. And one more thing is what now? Then why can't files? Yes. If you have to store in the files, we can store it, but having so many drawbacks, like security problem, one of the major problem. And huge amount of data I cannot store, only limited of data. Yes or no? So these kind of drawbacks are there. So that's why what the people will do, instead of these two things, they will use what now? Database. What is the advantage of database? Means, first thing, your front end is online, your back end is also online. So that means this database is not a manual system. This database is also called as a one of the online application. It's very, very important. That how it is, I will show you practically. So it is an online application. So my backend is online, my front end is online. So online, can I integrate it with, can I integrate it or not? Yes, it was very, very compatibility. So both are, when it was comes under same category of forms, then integrations are very, very easy for us. Yes or no? So that is one thing, because it is online. Second one is what now? Why I'm going to prefer only databases, sir? Means that there is a security. Well secured is that. Next, not only small amount of data, you can store large scale data can be managed. Like accuracies, consistencies. Okay, data retrieval is very, very fast. Okay, and what we can say, fastly I can do my manipulations. So many advantages are there. That what it is, how it is, everything practical I will show you in my classes. Okay, now. So that's why what I'm saying here, why the people will not going to be integrated your front end online application to notebook or else files. So these have some problems here. The problems are what, sir? If you're asking to me, definitely I will tell you the problems are what it is in our main classes. Okay, now. And now, and to overcome these all problems, people was using what now? One more type of online application. That application is called a back-end application. So front end is online, back end is online. The both I'm going to integrate it with some technologies. The technologies are called as what now? JDBC in Java, ADO.NET in .NET, Django frameworks in Python. Okay, na? So that is what it is. So that means what you understand, compulsory this data should be stored into somewhere. Okay. The somewhere we said what? Databases. Okay, sir. Now you can come out. Now this end user, he will directly interacting to this form. Okay. But this end user will interacting with your database. Is it possible? No. Because just imagine. Now this is which site? Facebook. Facebook, one of the registration form I'm using. To this registration form, I'm sending my data. That means Facebook management people also maintain some database now. Yes or no? Where it is? We know. We don't know. It was having somewhere USA, somewhere it was there. But I'm staying in Amirpet. I'm entering my details into your Facebook registration form in Amirpet. But the data will save into database memory in America. So, but can I see the data? Can I see my data in database? Interaction is possible? Not possible. I can interact only front end, but users are not possible to interact directly on backends. Backends are never. You cannot directly interacting. If you want to interact with the backend, you need a one client tool. What we required? Client tools are required. That what client tool we are using in Oracle, I will explain. So now this is what. So that's why what the people will say, backend application. Okay, backend application, BEA, is an application where we store data or information. Where we store data or information and users cannot interact to backend application to backend applications directly. Okay. So here, Backend applications, what it is, sir? Okay, what it is, sir? So many are there. Backend application softwares are called as, simply we called as what now? Database applications. Database applications we called. And these database application, how I'm developing by using of some software. Okay. And now in the bracket you can write developing developing by using what now? Softwares. Which kind of softwares? Oracle. Come on. SQL Server, MySQL, DB2, Sybase, etc., etc. Okay, na? Developing by using of your softwares. Okay, right. So now these are the two things. And of course, okay, you people was learning UI technologies separately. Okay, in outside, that means in other faculty will teach you that applications, okay, for how to design and develop my front end forms or UI forms. Okay, that is one thing. But now what we require next knowledge here, database knowledge. So that we are learning. That means in our classes, we are learning front end up, back end up. We are learning back-end applications, how to design and develop, how we can interact, how I can store my data, how I can manipulate my data, how I can process my data, how I can read my data, how you can perform validations on back-end applications. Okay, now how to provide security. Okay, so there are so many topics and concepts are there in database side that all we are learning in this back-end course. Understand? Na? And the next question. Next question will come to you. What is the next question? Sir, where we want to use databases, okay, in real world or in real time? We want to use databases in real time. Okay, na? So there are so many organizations are using. In this few organizations, I will tell you. First one we called as guys here. Okay, banking organizations. Okay, in that what we called banking sectors. So here, banking sectors, now we can see databases more. Where it will be useful means mostly we are using under banking applications. Because banking application nowadays, whatever you are performing a transaction, that every transactional data we are storing under databases. Okay, so now tell me, you will get some alerts, na? Yes or no? Are you getting alerts? So alerts when you get it, when you suppose using ATM card or debit card or credit cards, when you enter wrong PIN number, then immediately to your mobile, you will get some alert. What is alert? Enter wrong PIN number. Please check it. Yes or no? That alerts, how it was came. Means by writing of a database program. Okay. Next, suppose you have an online account is there. If anybody that try to access your account or anybody try to hack your account with the wrong user ID and password, there also immediately you will get a message. Yes or no? Getting message or not? Yes. What is the message? Alert. Someone is accessing your online account. Please check it. If you are not, contact to your branch manager. This kind of alerts. Anybody got it? In your day-to-day life, any one day, any one time, you got it, this kind of message? Yes or no? How it was coming, sir? Internally, database program. So whatever I said, these alerts, how to raise everything practically, I will show you in my classes. Then you can understand that database, what we call the importance. Okay, na? So these all concepts you want to know it practically, you need to spend some time with me. Okay, na? If you're spending some time, I will show you how the banking alerts are coming to customer mobile. Okay, na? When it will come, how it will come, internal program, how we are writing by using of database. Okay, na? Your alerts, your restrictions, your user ID password, security. So these are all we can go to see in our classes. Okay, na? That all. Next one, that's why in banking sectors, your database are very, very important. And not only in banking sector, even though we are using HR management side. So in HR management side, why they required databases means what is the role of HR management in a company? What is the role of HR management? They need to hire the new employees. Yes or no? They have to prepare your what we can say pay slips. That's called as salary slips. Your dear allowances, PF, your bonus, your salary, your package, everything they will be checked. Okay, na? So definitely HR management operationals related data also they will maintain under databases. Next one we are using very common, you all of you know, that is called as what now? Hospitals management system. Hospital management system. So in hospital management system also the people will be using databases. So nowadays you can see online medicines we are going to be booking, yes or no? Interacting to your doctor with the virtual interactions. Okay, na? So the doctor, that means the doctor details, their timings, schedules, okay, patient details, medicines details, yes or no? These all kind of things they can manage into databases. Next one. So you will be go for in companies, sales and production companies are there. Sales and production management systems. Okay, in sales and production, okay, these organizations also maintain what now? Databases. Because so in this academic year, how many products I just made it, how many sales, remaining stock, each product details, their brand details, their price details, each and everything they will be maintained. Okay, na? In that also they required a databases. Next one we are using nowadays very commonly, that is called a educational systems. In educational management systems also we are using. Educational management systems also we are using. So for example, nowadays you have a universities. Okay, na? So now can you tell me what is university? You all of you from so-and-so universities, na? So JN to Hyderabad, JN to Kakinada, in Telangana, Andhra, I'm telling. And outside you have so many universities are there. What is university? University is called a group of colleges. So under particular universities, some group of colleges will be come to you. So that means that university people definitely maintain websites. When they maintain website means definitely database is required. In database, what they are storing in my university, under my university, how many colleges are under my premises? Which college where it is, which college what it will be provided, in each branch how many seats are available. Okay, na? So these all kind of things, how many students are having in my universities. Okay, examination, student details, examination schedules. Okay, this all kind of data they want to manage. How they can manage? Again, they require a database application. So in educational systems. Next one we are using what now? Transport systems. Transport sectors. In transport sectors, what is the transport here? Nowadays you are using IRCTC website. Yes or no? How many people are using IRCTC? So IRCTC website through what you are doing? You are booking some tickets. So before you want to booking ticket, first you have to select your train. Na? where to where you have to go, which train is available, train number, train time, date, okay, the dispatch, arrival. So there's all kind of information. They will be maintained into database. So like they have here transports. And now even though databases can be used under financial sectors, financial sectors they can use. So financial sectors also they can use your we can use your databases. What is financial sectors? Nowadays, we all of you know Muthu's Finance. Yes or no? You have a Muthu's Finance, huh? Muthu, FinCorpo, Maniappa, something is there in them. Huh? Financial sectors are there. So those people also maintain what now? Databases. So finally, what I want to tell you, by seeing of this all, so almost everywhere they are using what now? Database. In banking sector, HR management sectors like organizations, hospitals, educational systems, sales and product management people, transport people, financial people, everyone they required to maintain their business data under databases. So that's why in these application, whenever you have it here, compulsory you should go for database support. Okay, na? Right. So now these are something I want to tell, so like etc. Okay, right. So now next one is what now? Who want to learn? Who want to learn this course? Okay, learn Oracle. Who want to learn Oracle course or Oracle database? So here I already said to you, there is no any restrictions of to learning Oracle. So any platform person can learn it. Any platform person they can learn it. So any platform means what, sir? So all technologies people. So especially you can learn it Java people. Okay, they want it what now? Python people. Okay, they want it here, for example, what we called AWS people, like AWS, Amazon Web Services. Okay, na? Like you have, if you have a testing person, Selenium, etc., testing persons, okay, testing people, or else you can go for DevOps people. Okay, you can go for data science people. You can go for Power BI people. Okay, na? So these are some any course you can go to take, but you should need a database awareness and knowledge. Okay, na? Next, what is prerequisite, sir? What is prerequisite? So your prerequisite is nothing. Okay, there is no. So no prerequisites for learning of databases. Okay, without having any technology knowledge, with a zero mind, you can come and sit in the classroom or go to your database classes. Happily, you can learn it. For learning of database purpose, I don't want it any support of other technologies. Okay, so no need any Java, no need any data .NET, no need any Python, no need any C language, nothing. You can without empty mind, you just come and sit in the classes of databases and learn it. Okay, because of reason why, sir? Why means database is a separate technology. It was having its own IDEs. That's called it tools, editors. Client tools are having its own. It's separate software. Yes or no? It was having its own languages. Okay, the languages are having its own data types, its own operators, its own classes, its own syntactical specifications, its own structure. Okay, na? So that's why you don't want to depend on any other technologies. Okay, so without any background, you can happily come to classes and learn. Okay, there is no any prerequisite here. Are you clear, all of you? Yes or no? Yes. So these are the things about your database today. And today is my first demo is happened now. Yesterday demo is now just normal I discussed, but today uses count. Okay. Demo 1. What is the date today? 19. Okay, right. So now this is what today in this demonstration, guys. Okay, right. So now next one, now you can come out. What about career, sir? What is the job, career and jobs, sir? Okay, about jobs. Suppose if you want to see, okay, as a career of a database career, okay, about the database jobs, how the opportunities are there, let me see. So guys, once you completed this course, you are the eligible for, okay, few positions in real time. One is we called as a database developer. Otherwise, even though we called as a database programmer, this is one position. Otherwise, some people, some companies, they specifically mention what is now, we want it what now, SQL developers. These are all are same meaning. Okay. And some people are asking, especially from Oracle, I'm telling. So they are asking what now, PLSQL programmers. PLSQL programmers. Okay, na? So these are the positions you can apply. Okay. So one of the student came, okay, today he said that sir, there are so many opportunities on Oracle, sir. As of now, we don't know. Once you can go to naukri.com, is a web portal is there, na? Some job portals. You can go to where naukri.com and Oracle database search. So many opportunities are there. As of now, we don't know. So, and one more thing is Accenture, TCS, Infosys, every academic year, they will hiring few database developers. And that is a regular process for these three companies in real world. Okay, na? Accenture regularly taking database programmers, even though TCS also, even though Infosys also. So, but what is problem is ours, we are not searching. Yes or no? When we are searching, we will know that what is what. Yes or no? If you are not searching, my focus is only on a Java side, means so you will get a Java opportunities only. If you are searching even the database also, then you will get a database opportunities. Yes or no? So that's why I'm saying that what now, this is a full-fledged course, guys. Okay, this course I'm not teaching for Java people, I'm not teaching for .NET Python people. I'm teaching entire the concepts who are trying jobs on Oracle side also. Okay, na? So that's why my classes also be like that. We are discussing from base to advanced concepts. Okay, na? So even though we are learning dynamic SQL also, okay, because dynamic SQL generally no one teaching outside. Very few people are teaching, and the dynamic SQL also I'm teaching along with your SQL and PLSQL. So that means you are learning three languages: SQL, PLSQL, dynamic SQLs. Okay, na? So additionally, my interest, I'm teaching SQL, dynamic SQL also I'm teaching. As per your course schedule, you have a two languages: SQL and PLSQL. So dynamic SQL, why are you teaching, sir? Means that is I said, who are trying to jobs in PLSQL developer, SQL developer, database developer, those people is required along with this two dynamic SQL knowledge also they need. In work premises in real time, it was very, very help you to save your time. Okay, na? So the techniques are there. So that is also we are going to be learning in this. Okay, that's why this course is not for one purpose. It is a complete course. You can utilize, you can try with the jobs also. Okay, na? Right, guys. So now this is today first demonstration. Okay, with some little bit notes. Okay, and tomorrow we will go, and tomorrow is there or not there, I don't know here. 1 second. I think tomorrow is there or not. Tomorrow Saturday, na? Okay. So next tomorrow, first Saturday, na? Okay. First Saturday, better to holiday for as a Naresh IT tradition. Okay, na? First Saturday only holidays. So maybe tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow is no class, guys. Okay, na? So again, your class on Monday session. Okay, na? This is only first Saturday. Don't expect every Saturday. Huh? First Saturday, you are all are newcomers, new people. Some little bit freeness. Okay, right, guys. Okay, na? So we will meet on Monday. Okay, right. Thank you. Thank you so much. So Hari, we will give it at the time and duration. I will give it here. Okay, tomorrow, Monday, I will give it. Okay, na? All right. For any online students having queries, send your queries. If there is no queries, log out. Okay. Siddharth. So if you're trying purely database side, this is enough. Otherwise, you need to try some other levels. Means you can join like Informatica, AWS. Otherwise, okay, some Power BI. If you learn it some additional technologies, it's a very good for you. Okay, na? Right. Prerequisite sites means necessities. Manish. So if I want to go, okay, for the particular things, what is required to me? Okay, na? Necessities. DB admin, okay, Raghunath. So after this course, you have a admin course also there separately. That admin course also you can go to, okay, learn it, then you can go. But this is completely application, okay, na? Not admin part. So yesterday only I said it's a purely application development. Okay, right. So any morning batches means as of now there is no morning matches. Okay. So maybe in coming days we will expect. Okay, right. For this batch, first Saturday, yeah, Ajay. Uh, I'm not saying month. For your new batch purpose, tomorrow is the first Saturday. Okay, right is. Application means Srinivas. So now I'm showing na. Okay. So website is one application. www Facebook is one application. Gmail.com is one application. Okay. Phone Pay is one application. Google Pay is one application. Amazon is one application. Okay, na tools. Those application developing. How you developing by using some tools, some softwares. Understand, na? So both are different. No confusion. Okay, Parvej, you are a full stack Java developer, so you can learn it to Oracle and Core Java parallelly. Suppose Oracle is 4 o'clock started, yes or no? Then Core Java other time it will start. So both are parallel. You can join and go for it. No problem. Okay, actually, the recording videos, I think today my admin was kept recording videos, guys, online students. Upender is your admin. So I will send you yesterday demo is nothing has happened, but I'm sending one video to you, all of you. If anybody missed yesterday, this recording video, check it. Now check it your chat box. I send your link, YouTube channel link, I send it. Okay, na? Yes. The admin also kept the 4 p.m. first day, yesterday, YouTube channel, that is recording video. So Ajay, after 7 p.m. not there, Ajay. After 7 p.m. not there. My batch is up to 7:30 only. Okay, na? Right. Up to 7:30. Okay. Hmm. If you are, no, now you're full stack developer, which technology? Java, na? Full stack developer, Java. So you required first initially core Java and Oracle. अभी ये Oracle अभी 4 स्टार्ट हुआ है और Java नया बैच स्टार्ट हुआ है. So वो बैच और ये बैच पैरेलली कर लो पहले. No nothing problem. Okay.
वो बाद में करेंगे क्योंकि अभी all courses at a time you can do na, your mind also confused. So that's why simply take first two, morning one, evening one. Just after going on, certain classes are 1 month classes are over, then you have a time and you have a capabilities, then join into HTML. So core Oracle HTML ये जो 3 होने के बाद enter into JSP. JSP means advanced Java. Without these knowledge, don't go advanced Java. Okay, initial. That's why first these 3 plan it. Parallel you can do. You can know, sir, I can understand that. Okay, I have the capabilities are there. So means I can core Oracle HTML. Parallel you can do within 2 months. These all are completed. Then next after 2 months you can join into advanced. Advanced Java will take 2.5 months something. So within full stack Java you will take a 5 to 6 months package. This one. Yes, good enough. Enough. Okay. Right. So how many days I will tell you that Abhi today's first demo is happened. So tomorrow, day after tomorrow, yesterday normal. That is normal.